This is a quick tutorial on graphical analysis, looking at a very simple graph. First thing you got to do is actually find Graphical Analysis, the program. Easiest place to find it is to go into the program file, go under Science, and then it's listed here in alphabetical order. Graphical Analysis. Open up the program. We have two sets of data. The X, our independent variable, and the Y, dependent variable. Click on the column. The name, in this case it's going to be the release height. So I have the release height of the marble. The short name I'm just going to leave as X. The units, of course, are going to be meters. So I'm done with that. First thing I did is I labeled what my column is. I double click on the Y and I label that. It's going to be velocity. Short name, I'm going to use a V. Units, I'm going to have meters per second. I'm done with that. Now you're going to go ahead and enter your data. I've entered some made-up data here, so I've got some X positions and some velocities, and the graphical analysis is already putting points in. Now, the difficulty is it's not connecting the dots. With this new version of graphical analysis, you have to tell it to connect the dots. So I'm going to go up under Options, pull that, get Graph Options. Here, my graph options, I'm going to include Connect Points. I could make it a bar graph, but that would not be appropriate in this case. Hit Done, and now I have my points connected. That's it for right now.